nest box, similar to the one given to the hornbills here in the bird park. Now we are going to go up closer here. So for the people around here, please remain seated and do not raise your hand and try to touch the birds. Okay? And when the bird is flying just above your head, if you look up, please don't open your mouth. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, Harriet. That is your nest box. Why don't you go and check it out? Okay, very good. Yeah, the entrance is up there, Papa. Harriet, just go up. Good, okay. See whether it's suitable for you. If she likes the nest, now she will enter the nest. Excuse me for a while. Thank you. Oh, she's in. Now, once inside, she will seal the entrance of the nest and she will make the entrance even smaller by using regurgitated food, soil, and even her own droppings. Okay, Harriet, if you like that nest box, you can seal the entrance now. That was fast. Harriet, where are you, Harriet? Yeah. Oh, there you are. Now everyone, look up there and let's welcome Alfred, the male great white hornbill. Oh, there are two different species of hornbills, but their behavior, nesting behavior is the same, just like what they did in the wild. Now the female will stick to the nest, her beak, and the male will feed her from outside.